In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase. So first of all, open up your app and make sure that your account is set up all the way and that you have a couple of payment methods or at least one linked to your account. And after you have done that, you can just go and click on buy and sell at the bottom left from your home tab. And then click on buy crypto. And in here, you can select the crypto asset that you want to purchase. So go ahead and select something. Let's say I want to buy Ethereum. Then I'm going to click on Ethereum in here. And now I can enter the amount of Ethereum that I want to buy. So you can change this view to euros, or you can change this view to Ethereum by clicking on this. So I'm just going with the euro view. And let's say that I want to buy 2 euros of Ethereum. Then I can select the payment method. So once I click on this, I can just basically select the payment method. And right now it is set to my Euro wallet, but I can also change this to Apple Pay, or I can choose to buy crypto with crypto that I already have. I'm just going with my Euro wallet in here, but you can just select the one that you like, or you can add a payment method down below. And that is an option to choose from PayPal or your credit or debit card. I'm just fine with my Euro wallet, so I'm going to keep it like this. You can also select to change the one-time order to a recurring buy, but that is up to you. I'm just going to review this order, and now I will see all of the details in here. I will see what the fee is going to be, and now I'm just going to click on buy now to make it final. And as you can see, the order has been submitted. So now when I click on done, and when I refresh, then I will see that my Ethereum will be added to my account because it usually happens instantly. And right now I can see in my assets that the Ethereum amount has gone up. So now I know that I have successfully bought crypto on Coinbase. So you can do this with any other crypto as long as it's on Coinbase, but that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.